Welcome to Backyard Woodworking. Another quick tip this week. Shelf matting. It's a nice rubber mat. Pick it up at your dollar store. I got a roll here. It's 12 by 48. Cost me $2. Lay this down on your table. Set your wood on it. Take your sander, router. When I say it holds firm, it holds firm. You take your piece of wood, you can take your router, run around your edges. Your sander, whatever. Now this is 48. You can cut this in half, put them next to each other, and you have 24 by 24. Now I checked a couple of the stores online. One big name tool place sells a lot of stuff. They went like $15 for 24 by 36 mat. Save $1, buy this mat at your dollar store, and you can save some bucks. You could buy 2 of these for $4, and you'll have 24 by 48 mat. Or you can cut these into, take this mat here and cut this into strips. Clamp it on, just bend it over the side, make a clamp lock, put a couple of screws or something through the top and clamp this down tight, and you have a gripper. Push your stuff through table saws, joiner, your router table. This stuff has a lot of uses. And you can always use it, stick it in your shelves, keep a plate from slipping off too. I mean, that's what it was designed for originally. Save $1. Go to the dollar store. Thanks for watching Backyard Woodworking. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Give a comment. Come back next week. See you again. Thanks a lot.